It's my pleasure to welcome you to celebrate the completion of the first of several major projects in the PUC's $5 billion transformation of the Southeast Treatment Plant, San Francisco's largest and oldest wastewater facility. Where we are standing today is the brand new Headworks Facility. This is where 80% of San Francisco's wastewater begins its journey to be safely treated, protecting public health and the environment. Sewer systems aren't sexy, but they're vitally important to the health of San Francisco. And this is where large debris and grit are removed so the rest of the treatment system can do its vitally important job.
When people think about San Francisco, they picture our skyline, our bridges, our neighborhoods, but what they don't always think about is the system beneath our feet, the infrastructure that makes life here in the greatest city in the world possible.
Things like this in community don't just happen. There was a lot of work that happened for us to get here. A lot of years of blood, sweat, and tears, community coming together with city leadership. I want to thank the PUC for making sure that they made this investment in community.
This $717 million project replaces two aging Headworks with one modern facility. It has a smaller footprint, greater efficiency, and advanced technology that removes 95% of grit. The new Headworks facility will treat about 45 million gallons of wastewater per day. That's enough to fill 68 Olympic-sized swimming pools. During storms, it can handle flows that surge to more than 5 times that amount. It also significantly reduces odors with state-of-the-art odor control, and that's part of our commitment to being a good neighbor to the Bayview Hunters Point community. And perhaps most importantly, this new Headworks facility has been engineered to withstand a 7.8 magnitude earthquake, making sure our wastewater system will be working when the city needs it most.